Hi, and welcome back. Hope you're doing well today and ready to learn something new. So we've spent our last few sessions talking about S-blends at the beginnings of words. We're going to move and learn a blend that comes at the end of a word. And do you remember what a blend is? A blend is when you have two letters and their sounds kind of blend together, so it makes it harder to hear those two separate sounds. So today we're going to look at NK when it comes at the end of words. Nk, nk. Can you think of a word that ends with nk? One of the most common ones is pink. Pink. Lots of little kids like the color pink, and that's one of those words that ends with the NK. And to help us, we're going to learn it in chunks, just like we did with our NG words. So we have UNK as in sunk, S-A-N-K, sunk. Honk, H-O-N-K, H-A-N-K, honk. Sink, S-I-N-K, sink. And sank, S-A-N-K, sank. So let's do these again. Sunk, honk, sink, sank. So those are our chunks that we are going to be working on today. So let's try reading a few of these words. This is tank. Tank has that ink chunk in it. Here we have a beginning blend and an ending blend. Ink, stink. Swank, S-W-A-N-K. 5 sounds in that word, swank. Slink. If you slink away from something, you're gonna kind of trying to go away unnoticed. You slink away, trying to go without anybody noticing. Slunk. That's our word, sunk. Yank. Yank is another word for tug. If you yank something, you tug on it. Those are words that mean the same. They are synonyms. Yank. J-A-N-K. Junk. Hunk. Bonk. B-A-N-K. Bonk. Link. L-I-N-K. Link. Bank. Bank. Sorry, digraph. Remember, that's different. These two letters get together and make one sound. These two letters are together making their own sounds, but blending together. Chink. Chink. Wink. Can you wink? Wink is one eye. Blink is two eyes. Wink is just one eye. Sink. There's our color, pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Mink. Ink, like the ink that is in a pen. You have to think about this one. Here's our TH digraph. Think. Think. Punk. Rank. If you rank something, you put it in order, maybe what you like best to what you like least. Stunk. Sank. She can wink at me. She can wink at me. And this word is near when you get to that word, near. The tank sank near the ship. The tank sank near the ship. Okay, so give yourselves a pat on the back for reading those words along with me. Let's look at our anchor words we're using. Remember, sank for our ink, sunk for the unk chunk, honk for our onk chunk, sink for our ink chunk. Okay, get your pen and paper ready, and let's try spelling some of these. So if you're ready, our first word is thank, as in thank you. Thank. Remember, repeat the word after me. Sound it out to yourself. Use your fingers to help you sound it out if you need to, and then write the word thank. And how did you spell thank? T-H-A-N-K. Ank. Ank. Next one, rink. Rink. You might skate in a rink. And how did you spell rink? R-I-N-K. R-I-N-K. Rink. Number 3, honk. It's one of our anchor words. Honk. H-O-N-K. Honk. 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 Next one, chunk. Chunk. Remember to sound it out. How did you spell chunk? What digraph did you hear at the beginning? Ch. Ch. C-H. Ch. K. C-H-U-N-K. Chunk. Like a chunk of ice fell off the roof. Number 5, bunk. Bunk. Maybe you have a bunk bed. Let's sound it out together. B-A-N-K. Bunk. B-U-N-K. Bunk. And last one, let's do a sentence. This sentence has 3 words in it. So if you need to draw 3 lines, you can keep yours going. My board's not very long, so I always have to go down to the next line. You might be able to write your sentence all the way across. 3 words. The skunk stank. The skunk stank. Say that sentence with me. The skunk stank. And go ahead and try and write that. And if you're ready, you can check with me. If you're not ready, go ahead and pause your video. But let's go ahead and check. The skunk stank. The, uppercase T, T-H-E, uppercase because it's the first word in our sentence, and we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. What's your space between your word? Skunk. There was our SK blend. Sk. And it ends with our NK blend. S-K-U-N-K. Sk. N-K. 5 sounds in that word. Stank. 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 S-T-A-N-K. And of course, your period at the end of your sentence. That's how I know it's the end of your sentence, end of your thought. And if you're really upset about it, maybe you want an exclamation point. The skunk stank. You probably don't say it, the skunk stank. You might want an exclamation point because usually we're saying that with a lot of feeling. Okay, and our passage for today, what's that smell? What's that smell? So you're reading, thinking about who is the character. What's the setting? Remember, setting tells us where and when the story takes place. This might not tell us when, but you can figure out where. What is the problem? And what's the solution? So our story elements in there: characters, setting, problem, solution. And you're reading that. If you need to, make sure you pause your video so you can finish reading. Let's review our anchor words real quick. So today we worked on NK, a blend that comes at the end of words. So we have sink, sank, sunk, honk. Let's do those again. Let's go faster. You read them. Sink, sank, sunk, honk. Okay. Next time I will see you for some review where we will continue working on our S blends and our NK blend, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.